Hello my dear students, welcome to this video tutorial. It's me KM Chaudhary, teacher of DH English Boarding Secondary School. As you know, we are broadcasting tutorial videos through Grade TV and Grade FM as well. So today, as you see on the board written, I am going to teach mathematics of class 8, and I request with you to take this class as the first class of class 8. So today we are not going to talk about the much thing. Today we are going to talk about one short topic. I have written here the topic sweat. It is from compulsory mathematics, and it is one of the easiest and one of the very important topic as well. And how many marks does this topic carry in annual examination? We shall talk about this later. But today we are going to talk about only one thing. But before we talk about the main concept, let me tell about the syllabus given for class 8 of compulsory mathematics. According to the syllabus of class 8, we have to read first difference of set. But today the main topic is difference of set. We are going to talk about the difference between difference of sets. But I must tell you, according to the syllabus of class 8, we have to read the first thing, difference between sets, then complement of a set. Then after we have to read how to solve some word problems using the relation of, cardinality relation of the sets. But today our topic is how to find difference of sets from the topic set. So before we talk about how to find difference and how to find difference between two sets, but you must know how to read out first. Here I have written one set A. I have written on the board A minus B, but students, you must know how to read out this also. And I have written here, read this as A difference B. I repeat, read this set as A difference B. Similarly, if you know how to read out this, the first set written here on the board, and you know very well how to read out the next set also, that is, you can do easily read out this set, say just similar to A difference B. While writing we write minus, but while reading we say B difference C. I repeat, B difference C. Then again X difference Y. I repeat again, X difference Y. M differential. M differential. Then if we have this time said A union B difference C, we say A union B difference C. Okay, I said how to read out, but the main thing we should know how to find out A difference B. But before that, let us define A difference B first. By using shade operation, we can define A difference B by letting X show that X belongs to shade A, but X does not belong to shade B. It means what? The elements of shade A difference B are supposed by the letter X. It means all the elements of shade A difference B, they belong to shade A, but they do not belong to shade B. It means it's simply we can do shade A difference B. Actually, it means elements of A only, not of B. I repeat, it means X belongs to A. It means all the elements of set A difference B are supposed by the letter X. Here I have written this set by using shade operation, by using shade builder method. So you should know, it means X belongs to A. It means all the elements of set A difference B are supposed by the letter X, and they belong to A, but they do not belong to set B. It means simply we can do set A difference B means elements of set A only, not of B. Elements of set A only, not of B. Similarly, okay, if you can define A difference B, then you can easily define B difference C also. It means B difference C means with elements of B only, not of C. Elements of X only, not of Y. Elements of M only, not of N. Elements of A union B all, not of C. Okay, I said we define A difference B, but let us talk about the next item. Let us see how to find A difference B. Then as we know, A difference B means elements of A only. It will be better if we do define it by using one example. So I am giving you one example. Okay, students, we have already defined A difference B, and I have already told you one idea to find A difference B. difference between two sets. And one more idea while finding difference between two sets. As we know, A difference B means elements of A only. But we have a idea. If you know two things while finding difference between two sets, then you can find difference between any two sets easily. First thing is to know, while finding difference, don't write common elements. And you know very well about common elements. You have studied in earlier classes in 6 and 7 as well. Don't write common elements. Write the elements of first set only. While finding difference, I repeat again. While finding A, if we are finding A difference B, don't write common elements. Let's say don't write common elements of A and B. Write the elements of first set only. Here you should consider set A as the first set, set B as the second set. So don't write common elements, means don't write the common elements of A and B. Write the element of first set only. And you can consider the remaining element of first set only. So to make it more clear, let us see one example. So here, for example, if set A has some elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, set B 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then A difference B equals to 1. This is the first example. Okay, let us talk how to find A difference B. That is solution is necessary. Here, A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B equals to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have to find A difference B equals to 8. Now, A difference B. Then first, we are calculating A difference B. Then write the elements of A first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then turn up minus. Then write the elements of B. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, while finding difference, then our idea is don't write common elements. It means let us check what are the common elements. So if you can see the element 3. 3 is the element of set B also. So we can say 3 is the common element. Then similarly 4 is also common element. 5 is also common element. 6 is also common element. So while finding difference, I mean A difference B, don't write the common elements of A and B. Here 3 common element, 4 common element, 5 next common element, 6 next common element. Here you have already studied in previous classes about the types of set overlapping this one. If the the given two sets may be overlapping, maybe this one, there may be the case of subset. We shall talk in our next example. But here, according to our example, set A has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, set B 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means so A and B have some common elements. So we can say A and B are overlapping sets. So though the sets may be overlapping, sets may be different, sets there may be the case of subset, but we can use the same idea. The same idea works while finding difference between any two sets. So let's say 3 common element we can't write, 4 common element we can't write, 5 common element we can't write, 6 common element we can't write. So don't write common elements. It means don't write 3, 4, 5, 6. And the next, write the element of first set only. I mean remaining element of first set only. It is as 3, 4, 5, 6 are the common elements. Then in the first set, here we consider set A as the first set and set B as the second set. So as 3, 4, 5, 6 are the common elements, we can't write 3, 4, 5, 6. The remaining elements here of set A, I mean of set of first set are 1 and 2. So 3, 4, 5, 6 are the common elements. Don't write. The remaining elements of first set only are 1 and 2. So A difference B means 1 and 2. Therefore, A difference B is equals to 1 and 2. Here we calculated A difference B. One more time, if you have not understood, then don't forget the idea. See here, A difference B means elements of A only. And So by the definition, so you can say 1 and 2 are the elements of A only, not of B. By this way, you should understand. Elements of A only. 1 and 2 are the elements of A only, not of B. Now here, elements of, I'm telling elements of A only. Elements of A and elements of A only are different. Elements of A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But here, elements of A only, not of B. 1 and 2 are the elements of A only. 1 and 2 are not the elements of B. So 3, 4, 5, 6 are also the elements of B. So we can't write. So we have a very simple idea. First, don't write common elements. Write the remaining elements of first set only. So 3, 4, 5, 6 are the common elements. 1 and 2 are the remaining elements of first set A only. So A difference B is equal to 1 and 2. Similarly, if we have to calculate B differential, then you should consider B as the first set, A as the second set. You can use the same idea. B 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7 minus A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here, while finding B differential, take B as the, do consider B as the first set, A as the second set. Again, use the same idea. You can use the same idea. Don't write common elements. But here, B is the, we have considered B as the first set. So do write, first use the concept, don't write common elements. 3 common element, 4 common element. I underline 3 common element. 4 next common element. 5 next common element. 6 next common element. And the second idea, second thing, write the remaining element of first set only. Here, we consider B as the first set. So there's 3, 4, 5, 6 are the common elements. Here, the remaining element of first set here. First set we consider the B as the first set. So 7 is the remaining element. So 7. Therefore, B difference A is equals to 7. So by using this simple idea, you have to know main two things. While finding difference between any two sets, don't write common elements. Write the remaining element of first set only. So this is the first example. I repeat one more time. If we have the sets A and B, one more time for my dear students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B equals to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We should calculate A difference B. Then our solution is solution here A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A difference B equals to what I have written. So then now we should calculate A difference B. Write the elements of A minus here. Write the elements of set B. Then have you the same idea. Don't write common elements. Here we have two sets A and B. So don't write common elements of A and B. 3, 4, 5, 6 are the common elements. So we don't write. We should not write. Write the remaining elements of first set only. Here first set we consider A as the first set. So remaining in the first set are 1 and 2. So 1 and 2, A difference means 1 and 2. And 1 and 2 are the elements of A only, not of B. Simply by using this concept, you can solve some more problems. Here I calculated A difference B. The sets may be overlapping, maybe this is no problem. By using this idea, you can calculate X difference Y also, M difference N also, C difference D also, no problem. So while finding X difference Y, use the same concept. Don't write the common elements of X and Y. Write the remaining elements of first set here, X only. While finding M difference N, don't write common elements of M and N. Write the remaining elements of first set, that is here, M only. While finding C difference D, don't write common elements of C and D. Write the remaining elements of first set here, C only. So by this concept, you can find difference between any two sets easily. But now, I have not gone through our textbook because this is the first tutorial class by me. But I hope you have understood how to find difference between two sets C and B. But you should know, we have read how to calculate A difference B. But by this idea, you should know how to calculate. I know you can easily calculate M difference N, similarly X difference Y, M C difference D also. But But I do request with you, my dear students, this is only the mathematics is all about concept. I have not gone through our textbook. So I have taught only how to find difference between two sets. So by looking this video, if you have textbook, you may see some exercises in our textbook. But I do request with you, before you toss the exercise, please, one request from my side, see the example solved in our textbook. By the example solved in our textbook, you can get some ideas. So by that idea, I mean, study the examples. If possible, copy the examples. Get some ideas. Then only toss the exercise. It will be better for you. But before I do toss the next item, for you, my dear students, today we read how to find a difference B. Don't forget, while finding difference, the main concept, don't write common elements. This is the simplest idea. Don't write the common elements. Write the remaining elements of first set only. First set is considered the set which is written before the sign minus. So before we end the class, for my dear students, I am writing some problems for you as homework. If x equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and y equals to 3, 4, 5, 6, then find x difference y. The next, if m equals to 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 and n equals to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then find m difference n. If a equals to a, b, c, d, e and b equals to a, e, I, o, u, then find a difference b. One more. If m equals to and n equals to then find m difference n. So before we end our class, then today we have taught only how to find a difference b. I hope you have understood. But in our next class, we shall read how to find a difference b, how to find c difference a of different types of sets. Today we have talked only about how to find difference between two sets if the two sets are overlapping. I hope, my dear students, you have understood. Thank you.